Hi, it's Debbie Kelly with the Sensible Nutrition Program up in Park County. I have my granddaughter with me today. A few weeks ago, probably close to 4 or 5 weeks ago, we planted potatoes, and she's going to explain to you what we've had to do to them so far to keep them. So here she is. This is my granddaughter, Bree.
Hi. So what we've had to do to the potatoes is we've had to water them, and then we had to put straw. So in these buckets here, we had to put straw around the potatoes so it kept the moisture in after we watered. And then with the ones out here, we just had to water them. We didn't have to put straw around them. And we had to.
What else have we had to do to them, Bree? What's your favorite thing to do in the garden?
It's my favorite thing to do is weed. So we had to weed them.
Yep. And then what else did we do around the potatoes? What did we do with the dirt around the potatoes?
Have to pull up the potatoes every once in a while because it kind of falls down sometimes.
Well, and it also helps where it keeps the soil loose so the potatoes will grow bigger underneath.
Yes. And so we sprinkled some fertilizer around them, and we had to spray them with bug killer so the bugs wouldn't be on them, so it didn't have all holes.
Because we have some of these little, we have some, this one does it have, oh yeah, there, those little holes right there. We've got a little bug that seems to want to eat the leaves.
And there's multiple on every plant.
Yep. So we've kind of sprinkled some stuff on there to keep the bugs off, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And now, since we did all of that, they have these tiny little blooms on them starting.
Oh, there's one right there. Can you show the little bloom right there? So that's going to bloom and be a little flower on the potato. And I don't know if that has anything to do with there having a potato underneath or not, but it'll have some pretty little blooms on it.
Yes. And we've done a lot of stuff to keep these potatoes alive. So now we did this big. And in Powell, we planted some potatoes in there also. And they're also big too.
Right.
They're round sizes. Maybe like this size. They haven't got this big yet because these ones have been long in the ground longer than the other ones. In Powell at the high tunnel.
Right.
And we've done around the same things to those also.
Yep.
But we haven't sprayed them with bug killer yet.
Because they didn't have any bugs on them, did they?
No.
All right.
There's not holes in
Okay.
them like there's holes in these ones.
All right. Okay, thanks, Bree. Thanks for giving us the update on the potatoes. We'll just kind of keep track of them over the next few weeks, and we won't be digging them until the top part of the plant will die, and then we'll go around and we'll dig the plants, and we'll share that when we do that. So have a great 4th of July. Bye.